KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, switching the gears once again, we're going from spring back to winter for a couple of days. So a little weather whiplash in our future, but milder temperatures will return next week. But a more interesting forecast as we move forward. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, as we take a look at the upper level pattern, we have two upper level lows, one by the Great Lakes. That's helping to produce the big snows on the north side of the system, and active jet stream, and that's producing the showers and storms farther south and east. And this upper low, well, this may help hold back some clouds, but we do think it swings on through and moves off to the northeast as well. Meanwhile, you can see this big weather system, surface low pressure somewhere around here. Big snows on the northwestern flying through the Chicago area, portions of Illinois going into Indiana, and then showers, strong and intense storms on the as expected where we thought they would be across portions of Mississippi, Alabama into Tennessee, where we have tornado watches going, even some tornado warnings going at this time. Severe thunderstorm warning here north of Hattiesburg. And then we get around to James Spann territory in around the Birmingham area, and we have a couple of tornado warnings going right now. One by Tuscaloosa, one north of Birmingham in the Birmingham suburbs to the north. So a couple of strong and severe tornadoes, EF2 long track tornadoes possible with these storms as they continue to progress off to the northeast. So we'll watch this for our friends to the east. Meanwhile, for us, it's just been scattered shower activity. It's moving along and not much in its wake. You can see the heavier action into southwestern Mississippi and into south central Mississippi, but locally just scattered showers across our part of the world. And they're moving along at a good clip. They'll probably clear Iberia Parish in the next 20 minutes or so. St. Mary, it'll probably take till about 6 or 7 o'clock along a larger parish and a longer way to go. But overall, heaviest showers now out in the Chaffalaya Basin. We get down to, first off, we go off to the east, just to the north of I-10. We see showers just west of the Baton Rouge area, and then not a whole lot going on here when I set these radar shots. And then we get down to the Jeanerette area, Sherrington. We see showers moving, Franklin as well. Showers getting ready to move in, and elsewhere it is relatively quiet. A few more showers down towards Sippermore Point into Vermilion Bay, Chaffalaya Bay. So that's all heading for St. Mary Parish. So some needed rain, but not a whole lot. Showers are moving along, but it does come down hard and fast. So overnight tonight, lingering clouds. I do think we see some breaks, and we might even see the sunset there for a little bit, but more clouds coming in overnight tonight. We'll start off tomorrow morning mostly cloudy. Temperatures upper 30s to lower 40s with a wind chill as well. And then after morning clouds, we'll go to more sunshine, we think, for the afternoon. Temperatures in the 50s going into tomorrow evening. It chills down into the mid to upper 30s going into Saturday morning, so we'll call that cold and cool during the day. Saturday looks to be a very nice day. Temperatures in the lower 60s. Looks great for Creux de Chêne, the parade there, as we go into your midday hour Saturday, and then going into Sunday, we're looking at another chilly start, but a mild finish. Overall, weekend looks good, but clouds coming back for Sunday. Here are the forecast lows tonight. Mid to upper 30s. Hard to fathom when we were in the mid 70s this afternoon. So temperatures dropping some 35 to 40 degrees colder. And by the way, those winds that were whipping earlier, they're dying down a little bit in the wake of the front. They'll pick back up as that colder air pours in. So it'll still be gusty as we head into the overnight hours tonight. Upper 30s, I-10 corridor will go 38 for Lafayette, and upper 30s to lower 40s across the coastal parishes. And then warm up tomorrow, low to mid 50s. And you got to factor in the wind through tomorrow morning. Here are the wind chills at daybreak tomorrow, ranging from the mid 20s up toward Alexandria to the lower 30s across most of Acadiana. So it's back to the heavier jackets and sweaters for sure. And looking at that wind, notice it stays breezy all night long. The wind's coming around out of the north and staying out of the north throughout the day tomorrow. And they don't really die down until tomorrow evening. At least it'll die down a little bit for the parade tomorrow evening, Creux de Canaille, but overall it's still going to be quite chilly. 38 the low tonight, wind chills upper 20s to low 30s. So it's back to winter. Tomorrow, intervals of clouds and sun. It will be breezy and cool, and parade weather, dress in layers for sure, especially the evening parades, whether it's tomorrow night or also for Saturday night. Less wind Saturday night, but just as chilly. Will be in the 40s for both parades. Going into the deeper into the weekend, clouds returning Sunday. Might even see a few showers late because the front that we had come on through. Today we'll be coming back northward as a warm front Sunday night, where we'll have pretty good chance of showers and storms, and that carries into early Monday. And then look at those temperatures pushing 80 degrees through the middle part of next week, and with spring temperatures, some spring showers, then another cool down as we go into the big Mardi Gras weekend. Right now, Friday, Saturday, Sunday look okay, we think. We'll see how it plays out for going into Monday. Looks potentially wet, which would mean Mardi Gras would be dry, but maybe chilly. But that forecast is going to change.
Okay, we're getting closer though. All right. Thanks.